Alright, so today we are going to learn how to create custom Weldment profiles. So you have to go to your handouts, and there are certain things here that can help you to create this. So these are some of the notes that you have to do in order to create a custom Weldment profiles, and how to design structures using weldments. So weldment structures are structures using profiles that you can get commercially, whether it is being welded or whether it is being joined by screws and fasteners. That depends. So if you go to website and you can Google for aluminum profile Malaysia. So under aluminum profile Malaysia, you can see certain companies, and they are producing aluminum extrusion profiles. Some of them will give you proper dimensions, some of them will have to draw it on your own. But one good company which I found that gives you proper dimension is this company, PBALM. However, they do not produce aluminum profiles. They are automation people. They supply automation parts and components. So if you look here, there are many things that you can go: aluminum profiles and accessories, linear actuators. These are some of the things that you can buy to create your automation parts, mechanical components, downloads, some of the products that is available. So if you want to dive more detail, you can go here. Here is where you can get the CAD profile, or you can just click here, aluminum profile and accessories. So you're gonna see different profiles here. Let's say I'm interested in 40 series profile, so I'm gonna click this one. I'm interested in this profile. So there is something called a step file. So for 4040, the dimension is 40 mm by 40 mm lah. This is the size. So let's open up this file. You're gonna see a step file here. So let's extract that step file. And open that step file with your Solidworks. Where is the step file? Okay, so this is the one. So here is your step files, and Solidworks is asking you to do all those import diagnostics. You can click yes or no, depends on you. So this is the thing this is the imported profile. So what we are going to do now is we are going to capture this sketch. In order to do that, let's click on a plane and sketch on this plane. So you can convert entities. Convert which entity? So click this surface and you can click the holes also to capture the internal profiles. You can even choose select chain or select inner loops, and then selecting offset. This is fine. Oh, only 5 holes are selected, so we can still continue, convert more entities, and then accept. So you've got the whole thing So if you exit sketch, and if you hide this imported profile, you are only going to see this sketch. So this is the sketch that you want to save on another file. So let's say I'm going to create another file. New part. So I'm gonna go back to my 4040 profile. So this is the sketch. I'm going to Control C or right click and copy. Is there a copy here? If there's no copy here, you can go here lah. Control C, copy. Okay, so this sketch, we're gonna copy it, and we are going to paste this sketch on this place. Click this profile, gonna click somewhere, Control V. If you cannot, then we have to copy it again lah. This sketch, Control C, window, go to the next part, front plane. Make sure you are on the sketch. Okay, so there you go. Apparently I paste everything at the origin lah, 000. So now I'm going to exit sketch. So this is the sketch 2 lah. This one I am going to save as first save as alu 4040. So this is aluminium 4040. So this is the sketch. It's been pasted already. I've got 2 sketch here. I need to delete one. Okay, so everything is good now. I only have 1 sketch. So this sketch, you have to file and save as a solid profile. How to do that? It's a good idea to add this to a library first, but if you don't have this option, you can refer here, add to library. If you add to library by right click, it will be easier for you to copy lah. Add to library, this sketch. I don't have add to new folder. Everything is good already. Never mind, so let's try. So click on the sketch, click file and save as. So now you're going to have to choose the second one, which is library feature part .sld.lfp. So this is another file name. So once you've done that, this icon will turn to this small l. So this is good lah. So you've got this solid profile saved as a library. So now where is my part? Is this my part? Yeah, this is my part. It has to be .sldfp. So this file you need to copy and paste to this folder, lang Solidworks lang English Weldment profiles. So let's go to this directory. It's under C, program files, or program files.x6. This will be your installed directory. Sometimes it varies from one PC to another. The key is to look for your Solidworks. So Solidworks Corps, go under Solidworks, look for lang and then look for English and look for Weldment profiles. Under here there will be 2 additional folders already. So you can create a new folder or you can just use existing. Maybe you want to go to ISO. So maybe you want to create another folder here. Right click, new folder, aluminum num profile. So go to aluminum profile and then you're gonna copy this one, right click, copy, and now paste. Okay, so you're done it. So everything has been saved. Now let's try. Let's create a new part, and in this part you're gonna create something rectangular, probably a cabinet. Put some dimension. It's a big cabinet, probably 1 meter height, 750 width. Exit sketch, we're gonna extrude it to make it 750. Okay, so you've got a rectangular object. So this rectangular object, you're going to convert them into a 3D sketch. So what you do is you go to sketch and click on 3D sketch. And now you click on one edge and then select Ctrl A. You will select everything and then you're gonna convert entities. So once you've done that, you can exit your sketch. So a 3D sketch will come out. If you hide your boss extrude, so your 3D sketch remains lah. So once you've done this, you can go to Weldment. If you don't have it, right click. There's a sheet metal, mold tools. You don't need all this. You need at least Weldments. Click on Weldment. Click on structural member and then choose. So this one will. Alright, so now we are going to create all the parts required for the structure. So you're gonna go to your 3D sketch. So this is your 3D sketch. This boss was here, right? Now you have hidden them, and now only left with this 3D sketch. So you're gonna go to Weldments, and again, if you cannot find this, you can right click and turn on Weldments. So click on structural member, go to your ISO aluminum profile. There are many more profiles here available, but apparently we only have one aluminum profile, which is 4040. So we're gonna create it by groups. So you're gonna choose the top one first, 2, 3, and 4. So let's say the end we're gonna choose as miter saw. It's like this lah. If you choose the end corners, it's like this. It's going to be like this. This one is another type of end corner. So most likely you're gonna choose this one lah. Why? Because it's easier probably. But if you want very good structural rigidity, you might want to choose miter saw. Miter saw the corners. So click a new group. We're going to do the bottom one, 2, 3, and number 4. Everything is miter saw, and then click a new group. This last group will be the vertical parts lah. So this one. So this one, there is no option to miter saw anymore. This one, and finally this one. So everything is joined properly, and then now you're going to accept everything. Click OK. So you've got your cabinet, right? So this is your cabinet. A good thing to do with this is that you can save, of course. Save. And another good thing is you can create a drawing from the part. Let's say I'm going for A3, A2, A1. Okay, never mind. A1, a very big one. Let's put an isometric view. What will be my scale? 1 to 10? 1 to 5? 1 to 5 is quite big. I can choose this one, high quality. Okay. Next thing, under annotation, you want to put some sort of table, and it's going to be this one. Weldment cut list. So this is the table that you're going to put, and it's going to list down all the cut lists available for you. Apparently this is the cut list that's available. It's very small. How do I make this bigger? This one kah? Horizontal cell padding. So I gotta change the fonts, make the fonts bigger. 20, 36. So this is the thing. So under this weld cut list, I can find out the bill of materials. I don't have a description here. If I key in properly, it's going to come out my description. Why is this missing? You need to key in your profile's title. For example, this one. Where is it? Solidworks profile. By right, you should key in this one. Properties, custom. Key in this value. Type text. If this is saved properly, it will appear properly here inside your Solidworks. Inside your Solidworks Weldment cut list description. Alright.